So I'm the founder of a company, a technology company called XeroStream. And the idea behind XeroStream is to take the inexhaustible supply of water that's in the atmosphere and convert that into the best water on Earth. And we've been for 10 years exploring nano filtration technology. So not only are we making water from the air, and that's not exclusive to us, just so you know, there are other people making water from the air, but no one is doing what XeroStream is doing, which is to transform that water into the best water for your health. Now, is there a more important commodity on Earth than water? If you can think of one, please say so, because there isn't. It's even more important than food, actually, because you can live on water for days, can't you? So water is critical. And what's the biggest problem today with the water supply? The biggest problem, number one problem, is that they carry water in bottle, plastic. And what happens when you drink out of plastic? You ingest microplastics. You've heard of microplastics, but there's something worse than microplastics, and that's called nanoplastics. And did you know that 90% of microplastic is actually nanoplastic? Nano. And that means it gets through the blood-brain barrier and lodges in the brain. So why do we carry water in plastic bottles? Why? Did you know that an average person is ingesting a credit card amount of plastic every month? So that's very dangerous, and all the issues related to the brain that are happening to people today can be partially connected to micro and nanoplastic getting into the body and lodging in the brain. So that's why it's very, very important, and that's why we want to save the health, save the planet by removing plastic. So we produce a machine that would go into your home, and that machine would make between 3 litres and 20 litres of the best water on Earth every day. So then you could make your own water. We call it pure water security, because then you don't need to depend on public water. And what's the problems with public water? Is you've got lots of contaminants inside the public water.